AI in the workplace, job killer or career enhancer? Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts and Luddites alike, fasten your seatbelts. We're about to embark on a journey through the brave new world of AI in the workplace. And let me tell you, it's going to be wilder than trying to explain to your grandma why her Alexa keeps ordering cat food when she doesn't even have a cat. Now, you might be thinking, AI in the workplace, isn't that just robots taking our jobs? Or maybe you're on the other end of the spectrum, already planning to delegate your entire job to ChatGPT while you sip pina coladas on a beach. Well, wherever you stand, grab your circuit boards and your resumes, because we're about to dive deep into the Silicon Valley of AI and employment. But before we boot up our analysis, let's set the stage. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in the workplace faster than you can say, "Hey Siri." We've seen AI writing articles, creating art, diagnosing diseases, and even coding software. It's like someone gave the Terminator a LinkedIn profile and told it to go wild. So what's the deal? Is AI the grim reaper of jobs coming to lay waste to the employment landscape? Or is it more like a super-powered career coach, ready to boost us all into the professional stratosphere? Is it going to leave us all unemployed, or just unemployed, if we don't learn to work with it? AI in the workplace 101, more than just fancy calculators. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. We're talking about things like visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. It's like giving a computer a brain, minus the existential crises and bad hair days. In the workplace, AI is being used in a variety of ways. 1. Automation, handling repetitive tasks faster than you can say, "I hate Mondays." 2. Data analysis, crunching numbers and spotting patterns quicker than a caffeine-fueled accountant. 3. Customer service, chatbots that don't need coffee breaks or get annoyed at the 100th person asking the same question. 4. Predictive analytics, forecasting trends better than your local weather person, though that's not saying much. 5. Content creation, writing everything from news articles to marketing copy. Now, why should you care? Well, unless you're planning to retire tomorrow, and if so, congrats. AI is going to impact your career in one way or another. It's like the office gossip of the 21st century. It's everywhere, and you can't avoid it. The promise, AI as your personal career, Iron Man suit. Let's talk about the sunny side of AI in the workplace. Its supporters claim it's going to supercharge our careers faster than you can say digital transformation. 1. Increased productivity. AI can handle mundane tasks, freeing us up for more creative and strategic work. 2. Enhanced decision-making. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to help us make better decisions. 3. Personalized learning. AI can tailor training programs to individual needs, helping us upskill faster. It's like having a personal tutor who never gets tired of explaining things. 4. Improved work-life balance. By taking over time-consuming tasks, AI could help us achieve that elusive work-life balance. 5. New job opportunities. As AI creates new industries and roles, it could open up exciting career paths. 6. Reduced human error. AI doesn't get tired, distracted. 7. Augmented capabilities. AI can enhance our own skills and capabilities, making us more effective at our jobs. It's less about replacement and more about collaboration. These promises sound amazing, right? It's like AI is the Tony Stark to our Peter Parker, ready to gift us with a high-tech suit to make us workplace superheroes. But hold on to your circuit boards, because every Iron Man has its Ultron. The perils when HAL 9000 becomes your job competitor.
I'm sorry, Dave.
Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the robot in the cubicle. AI in the workplace isn't all binary roses and silicon sunshine. There are some serious concerns. 1. Job displacement. Some jobs could become obsolete as AI takes over certain tasks. It's like when calculators made the abacus obsolete. 2. Skill obsolescence. As AI capabilities grow, some human skills may become less valuable. 3. Privacy concerns. AI systems often require vast amounts of data, which raises questions about employee privacy. 4. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit and amplify human biases. 5. Dependency and de-skilling. Over-reliance on AI could lead to a loss of important skills and critical thinking abilities. 6. Economic inequality. The benefits of AI might not be distributed evenly, potentially widening the gap between high-skilled. 7. Lack of human touch. In some fields, the human element is crucial. An AI might be able to diagnose a disease, but it can't hold a patient's hand. 8. Technical issues and errors. AI systems can make mistakes or break down, potentially causing major disruptions. So, where does the truth lie? As with most things in life, it's somewhere in the messy middle. AI is indeed changing the workplace, but it's not a simple story of mass job extinction or worker paradise. Here's what we're really seeing. 1. Job transformation. Rather than wholesale job elimination, many roles are being redefined to work alongside AI. It's less AI versus humans and more AI plus humans. 2. Skill shift. The demand for certain skills is changing. Soft skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability are becoming more valuable. Your EQ might become more important than your IQ. 3. Productivity. Gains in many fields. AI is boosting productivity and enabling workers to focus on higher value tasks. It's like having a superpowered assistant. 4. New job creation. While some jobs may disappear, new roles are emerging. 5. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more prevalent, ethics is becoming a key part of tech jobs. 6. Augmented intelligence. Many companies are focusing on using AI to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. 7. Ongoing learning. The rise of AI is making continuous learning and upskilling more important than ever. Your education doesn't stop when you get your degree. So what does the future hold for AI in the workplace? Well, if I knew that for certain, I'd be writing this from my yacht. But let's dust off our crystal ball and make some educated guesses. Scenario 1. The collaborative workplace. In this future, humans and AI work side by side, each leveraging their unique strengths. AI handles data processing and routine tasks, while humans focus on creativity, strategy, and interpersonal skills. Your AI assistant is like a really smart, really efficient coworker who never steals your lunch from the office fridge. Scenario 2. The upskilling revolution. As AI takes over certain tasks, there's a massive push for upskilling and reskilling. Lifelong learning becomes the norm, with workers constantly adapting to work with new AI tools. Your 65th birthday might involve a coding class instead of a gold watch. Scenario 3. The new economic model. AI-driven productivity gains lead to shorter work weeks and universal basic income. People work less but produce more, with more time for leisure and personal projects. The robot uprising leads to more vacation time. Scenario 4. The digital divide deepens. AI benefits are not distributed equally, leading to a widening gap between those who can work with AI and those who can't. All right, enough with the crystal ball gazing. Let's talk about what this all means for you and your career aspirations. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. Stay curious and keep learning. The ability to adapt and learn new skills will be crucial. 2. Develop your human skills. Focus on skills that AI can't easily replicate, like creative thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. 3. Understand AI. You don't need to become a programmer, but having a basic understanding of AI and its capabilities will be valuable in almost any field. 4. Be flexible. The nature of work is changing. Be open to new ways of working and new types of roles. 5. Ethics and responsibility. As AI becomes more prevalent, understanding its ethical implications will be important. 6. Collaborate with AI. Learn to work alongside AI tools. It's about augmenting your abilities, not competing with machines. 7. Focus on your unique value. Identify what you bring to the table that AI can't. Your unique combination of skills, experiences, and perspectives is your career superpower. As we navigate this AI-transformed workplace, here are a few things to keep your eye on. 1. Regulatory developments. Watch for new laws and regulations around AI in the workplace. 2. Emerging AI technologies. Stay informed about new AI tools and applications in your industry. 3. Changing skill demands. Keep an eye on job postings in your field. What new skills are employers asking for? 4. Ethical debates. Pay attention to discussions about the ethical use of AI in the workplace. 5. Industry adoption rates. Some industries will adopt AI faster than others. Conclusion: AI, frenemy or BFF? As we log off from our deep dive into AI in the workplace, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and trepidation. And you know what? That's perfectly normal. Here's the thing: AI in the workplace isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. It has the potential to eliminate certain jobs, yes, but it also has the potential to make our work lives more fulfilling by freeing us from drudgery and allowing us to focus on more meaningful tasks. The key is to approach AI not as a job competitor, but as a powerful collaborator. It's not about human versus machine, but human and machine. AI can be the Sherlock to your Watson, the Frodo to your Sam, the R2-D2 to your Luke Skywalker. Is AI going to change the workplace? Absolutely. But remember, change has been a constant in the history of work. From the Industrial Revolution to the rise of the internet, we've always adapted, and will adapt to this too. So whether you're excited to welcome your new AI coworkers or you're eyeing that computer suspiciously, remember this. AI in the workplace isn't the end of your career story. It's just the beginning of a new chapter. How will you write yours? Now that we've explored AI in the workplace, what other cutting-edge topic should we dive into next? Here are two options. 1. The metaverse, future of work or virtual pipe dream. 2. Blockchain beyond crypto, revolutionizing industries or overhyped tech. Which one should we tackle? Leave a comment and let me know. If you found this analysis mind-bending, you might want to check out our previous video. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who could use a painless AI lesson. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, in the world of AI, the only constant is change.